Hey, how's it going? Did you know that adding the suffix ness at the end of adjectives, you're making that adjective into a noun? Let me give you an example. To be happy. Your happiness is my number one concern. Lazy. Laziness gets you nowhere. Nervous. Nervousness stops many people from succeeding. Be kind. Kindness has been noted. Sick, sickness, illness, fitness. You see, there are many examples. And if you don't understand a word, for example, like unwillingness, break that word down. Noun, the will to do something. So you add a lot of suffixes and prefixes to this word. Will, willing, I am willing to help you. Unwilling, I am unwilling to help you. And the unwillingness to help doesn't help anyone. I hope that made sense. I'm Mr. Finn, and I'll catch you later. Bang!
Yeah, baby, yeah.